To turn on or turn off, use on body detection smart lock. In Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find lock screen, and then tap lock screen. Next, tap smart lock, and then enter your current PIN or password or draw your pattern if required, and then tap on body detection. To turn on body detection, tap use on body detection switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until gray. Keep in mind, on body detection cannot distinguish between you and someone else. If someone takes your device, well, been it's not it's been unlocked, they may be able to access it. Tap continue to turn on. And then to turn off, that switch until gray. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.